Hey, lip lovers! Welcome back to my channel, where we're all about keeping it fabulous, fun. Today, we're diving into the ultimate lip glow up, because who doesn't want soft pink, perfectly pouty lips that look like they belong in a rom-com? Say goodbye to dry, flaky lips that feel like sandpaper, and hello to lips so smooth, you'll want to kiss the mirror every time you walk past it. I've got you covered with all the natural secrets to make your lips pop. Let's do this. Section 1. Why lip care matters. Okay, let's get real for a sec. Why should we even care about our lips? I mean, they're just there, right? Nope. Your lips are like the VIPs of your face. They're super delicate, they don't have oil glands, which honestly feels like a design flaw. And they're constantly exposed to everything. Sun, wind, cold weather, and even that ridiculously spicy taco you couldn't resist. So, if you're out here neglecting your lips, they're basically screaming for help. And let's be real, nobody wants crusty, sad lips. No. 1. Section 2. Natural ways to get pink and soft lips. Alright, let's get to the fun part. Here are my absolute favorite natural ways to get those lips looking like they belong in a rom-com. 1. Sugar scrub magic. Mix some sugar with a bit of olive oil or honey, gently scrub your lips, and boom, you're sloughing off all that dead skin. It's like a mini spa day for your lips, but way more budget-friendly. 2. Honey. Honey isn't just for your tea, babe. It's a natural moisturizer and has antibacterial properties. Put some on your lips before bed and wake up feeling like a total lip model. 3. Beetroot power. Beetroot juice is like nature's lip tint. Dab a little on your lips for a natural pink tint. Plus, it's packed with vitamins that'll keep your lips healthy and happy. 4. Aloe vera to the rescue. Sunburned lips? Aloe vera's got your back or, well, your lips. It's super soothing, hydrating, and perfect for healing dry or chapped lips. 5. Stay hydrated, queen. This one's a no-brainer. Drink your water, sis. Hydrated body equals hydrated lips. Plus, you'll glow from the inside out. Total win-win. Section 3. Lip care tips for every day. Okay, now that we've covered the natural remedies, let's talk about daily lip care habits that'll keep your lips looking amazing. 1. Lip balm is BAE. Always, and I mean always, keep a lip balm handy. Look for ones with SPF to protect your lips from the sun. 2. Stop licking your lips. I know it's tempting, but licking your lips just dries them out more. Resist the urge, my friend. 3. Overnight lip masks. Slather on a thick layer of balm or natural oil, like coconut oil, before bed. Wake up with lips so soft you'll want to kiss yourself. 4. Ditch the matte lipsticks, sometimes. Don't get me wrong, I love a good matte lip, but give your lips a break sometimes. Opt for hydrating formulas or tinted balms instead. Section 4. Quick lip enhancement hacks. Want your lips to look fuller and juicier without going under the needle? I got you covered. 1. Overline, but don't overdo it. Use a lip liner slightly outside your natural lip line to create the illusion of fuller lips. Just don't go full-on clown, okay? 2. Highlight the Cupid's bow. A tiny bit of highlighter here makes your lips pop and adds dimension. 3. Gloss is boss. A little gloss in the center of your lips makes them look plumper and more kissable. And there you have it. Natural ways to get soft, pink lips, plus some extra tips to keep them looking flawless. Remember, your lips deserve love too, so treat them right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fab tips. And hey, drop a comment below telling me your favorite lip care hack. I want to hear from you.